People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, just as I was saying to myself, this December is very slow for my unicorn sales because normally this time of year is when I move the most unicorns. So I was thinking to myself, oh, what go on? Oh, we're not hearing a story yet. People, the story is finally here. Business is booming because what we're hearing is that our returning resident, right, basically come back into the island, right, an elderly woman. And she come back into the island, right, and on the way home from the airport, she realized she had lost US $141,000. At today's exchange rate, that's around about 19 million Jamaican dollars. Now, this story has a lot of holes in it. A lot of holes, right? Have more holes than one of them old time 90 the woman used to wear, right? Now, people, listen to what they're saying. This is the official story, right? The couple came in from the US, right? And a man picked them up from the airport. That man is a district constable. So, people who don't know, district constables are not technically real police, but they are armed and they're contracted by the government, and people look at them as police, but technically they are not police, right? I guess you could say maybe they are half a police, I don't know, right? I hope no DC don't get offended by that, but I don't know how to describe district constables. But I know they're not technically officially police, right? Now, on their way from the airport, the DC get a phone call, right? And him tell the people them, this is the returning residents, that a friend of his brought down, right? And him go pick up the friend. So DC tell the people them say, I'm going to go pick up friend from airport. First red flag. All of my subscribers who live abroad, if you even live in Jamaica and travel, listen. If you come down here and no man carrying from the airport, don't make him stop for nothing. I don't care if his bladder is about to explode. I don't care if diarrhea take him. I don't care if he go do up himself or if he go pee up himself in the business. Don't stop, no way. I don't care about no friend. I want a friend when I'm brought down. What that have to do with me? That is the first question I would have asked in that car. You would have said to me, oh, you know, say my friend brought down. The first thing I'd ask, so? What that have to do with me? Look like Mother Teresa? Me look like food for the poor, save the nation. Me no business boy and your friend when I'm brought down. Carry me home, right? Worse, me know say me have US $141,000 upon me and you want to come tell me about friend brought down. I don't care if him broke his foot or if him broke his neck. That's him problem. Carry me home, right? Because after them pick up this friend, it seems, right? Because there's a gap in the story, right? But after them pick up him friend, the lady realized her handbag that was on the floor missing. People, listen to me now. When the couple get home, them realize the handbag with $141,000 was missing. People, when you realize how much money that? 141,000. If you have a job in America that pays you 141,000 before tax, whether before or after tax, that is a very, very good job. And you tell me say granny have 141,000 US stash off in her purse, right? People, who are we looking at first here? Before we go no further, who are we looking at first? DC. Before we even get to the friend, why is the DC not in custody, being interrogated? Why is the DC not get drawn in one of them rooms they like in the movies? You know, them carry in the room and them put it down and put a cup of coffee on the table and say, alright. Just tell me where just start confess. People. Oh, the DC. I go tell the people them. Say, hold on, before we go any further. Now that I'm thinking about it. You know, I was reading this story wrong, people. I was thinking Granny come through with 141,000. But then you can't come through airport with over 10,000 US. Where the money come from? Was the money brought to Granny at the airport and then she carry it back, right? Or, I don't know, people, this is why I tell you so unicorns are going to sell like crazy. First of all, let's look at all the possible scenarios. Because what is a reason on people? This is a fresh story. What is a reason to subscribe to them? The first thing I want to know, what Granny are doing with so much money cash? What are they doing with so much money cash? Especially on the way from the airport. It's not like they're on the way. First of all, they couldn't carry so much money go put on house deposit or put on and you know what kind of I couldn't no vehicle share go buy. So what are you doing with so much money cash? People, there's lots of too much holes in this story. This story is like an old time 90. What Granny are doing with $141,000 cash, people? And did somebody bring it to her? Now here's the thing. If the DC pick her up from the airport, right? If I even carry the money go give her, then it would be an even easier task for him tell him bridging to set them up because him don't know what go on. Even if somebody never tell him say yo, money in the bag, him go that fast in the bag and looking at it long time and spot the cash and just make one phone call. Yo, you know, so them people that have X amount of money. Yeah man, I go pick you up right there. I give them a story and come pick you up right there. So, right? Because we want to know how Granny has so much money. Cash. This is cash in the people. And as I say, you can't come through with more than 10,000 US. Now, if somebody else know immigration and customs law better than me, because I'm no expert on this topic, please let me know if it is possible to come through with $141,000 cash. And even so, why would you have it cash? Now, we have to put in the context that this is an elderly woman. Now, we do know that, of course, a lot of elderly people, they're not really into, enough old people don't really trust bank and everything. I get that. But again, people, this is not somebody who's in Jamaica who's moving around in Jamaica. This is somebody who just come from foreign, that just come from America. Now, this could possibly be somebody who will come back to retire, and this are all them life savings, I don't know. But what will their life savings be doing in cash? The whole story is fascinating, people. Before we even get to the friend, you see we don't even reach the friend yet. Just the amount of money, how it get there, and the DC. That in itself is alone. That in itself alone can make a movie around it before we even reach to the friend. Because obviously the friend in it, right? Obviously when you hear about friend broke down, you have to go pick up friend. I don't know. I mean, if Granny come through, if an elderly couple is coming through, you mean tell me them couldn't get one grand pitney or one son or somebody? People, I don't know. And the real tragic part of the story is that after Granny find out, say, the money missing, Granny drop down, boof. Just like that, gone. No longer with us. This is when the story start to make a tragic turn. So, it look like, say, it's really and truly everything with them work for this. Right? Because it look like, say, obviously, if you put everything in it, if you are safe from your eye or your knee, and you have everything where you ever earn put together, and you say, alright, I come to Jamaica, this are my life savings, I go do this, I go retire, whatever, and then it missing. I can understand why an elderly person will drop down and dead. That is a young healthy person will drop down and dead if they have so much money missing. Right now, if we wake up tomorrow morning, people, and realize there are 141,000 Jamaican dollar missing, you could have used a therapy down a public. Lie down. String up an IV. Right? Because me can't miss them kind of money they don't notice. Right? So imagine 141,000. People, it's serious. It's funny and sad at the same time. Right? Because them say you have to take bad things, make joke. But this DC is the first person we need to get through into the interrogation room. And I'm going to watch and see if police really make him even get, because you notice people, especially when you watch the movies or even abroad, it's happening in real life. If you're your wife, the woman, something happened to her, you're the first suspect, you know. The husband is the first suspect. If something happened to the husband, the wife are the first suspect. That must mean to say, are you do it in about? Just by the nature of the fact, say, you and the person that they are together, then we need to ask you some questions. You can't go nowhere. You need to stay right here, so, and answer some questions. That is how them should deal with the DC. If them even give the DC a chance to go home, to go bill him story, or to go stash off money, then that show me say police thing a joke thing. That DC shouldn't even get a chance to go home. From the people that hear the story, if you get called in and that's it, him not go nowhere. He might have to go get lawyer, if you go bring too much big documents. We say you have to let go my client now because you hold him too long. He can't go nowhere. Where him to go? Him and that friend have to go sit down in a cell until we find out what going on. Where the money do? Grow foot, grow 2 foot and turn Usain Bolt. People, the woman drop down and dead just like that. Pronouns. Gone. Boys, I really hope we hear more about this story. These little fascinating stories, we hear about them and then they just disappear. I won't hear nothing more about them. I really wish the media would follow up on some of these cases. If I had the resources, I would, right? Just to get in touch and follow up with these stories, because this is incredible, right? And even the husband may just end up dropped down in the hospital. So the wife dropped down and gone, and the husband dropped down in the hospital, right? People them heart couldn't take it, people, and couldn't manage it. Boy, it's a real sad story. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.